Hi, my name is Tracy, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a new post in the new GungHo website. So first, you want to go up to the top left and click on Dashboard. Then you want to go over to Posts, and you want to click on Add Post. So now this is where we're going to create our post, and then at the end, when we're ready, we could either publish it or we could schedule a day for when you want it to be published. So up right here, this text here doesn't show up on the article itself, but this text is what shows up on the thumbnail. So this is the text for every cover. This text, when you click on it, also has this right side menu, and this is gonna be where you could edit stuff for the back end. So you can give a post different categories here at the bottom with any game you'd like. For this one, I'm just gonna click on, let's say, Puzzle and Dragons. Then you can add tags, so any kind of hashtags you want to add, and it saves the most common ones. For the title, for the thumbnail, I'm just gonna say test thumbnail. Then for here, we're gonna drag in the template I created that keeps every post structured the same way. So you'll click on this box here and you'll type in template, and it should, as you type, just already load stuff up, and it should be this, the news post template. So you just want to drag that in here, and then you kind of want to click and drag a little, and you'll be able to see this menu here pop up at the top. So right here, you want to click on first align. You want to align it full width, and then you want to make sure this is full width too. And that's all you got to do. The rest of this is quite straightforward. You just replace, and you can upload an image. So we'll upload the banner here. This is where you want to put your banner image. Right here, for the post itself, you can set a thumbnail. And so this is where you'll put the thumbnail image. I'm just using the lunar pictures for this test one here. And everything from this point down on is what's going to be showing in your article. The date is already formatted for you. Oops, it's kind of hidden. And you can go ahead and change the title of the post here. So test post article title. Right here, it's going to say no excerpt found, and then it's going to say add read more text link. You can ignore this bottom part, this doesn't matter, but you could click here, and this is going to be like your leading sentence, like your heading sentence. Or this could also, you could also describe this as like your description. It's the text that's going to be right here. And when you go to an article, it's going to be the text, the first sentence. So you can say heading sentence and thumbnail description. Then this block here, from this point down, you can edit and add the entire article itself. You can also highlight and change the color of text, so you can bold stuff, you can highlight it, different colors, you can give text a background, you can also make it italic, and a few other things. But this is how you're going to format your article. And once you feel like it's ready, and once you've added all the categories and tags you'd like, when you want to post it, if you want to post it immediately, just hit publish. But if you want to schedule this out, go right here into publish, click on immediately, and then it should just pop this calendar up, and you could set like a specific time and a day, even a year. For this one, I'm just gonna publish it immediately, and you'll see what it looks like when it's ready, or once it's finished. It's gonna load up the SEO metadata, and what this does is it helps the article be easier to find when someone searches it up in Google. So it helps search engines find the article. Then you're gonna publish, and you can view the post. It's got the title, the text we've edited, and it's got all the tags that we've set on the menu. It doesn't show the categories, but you can go over to the news and you can search for the categories. So if I were to click on Puzzle and Dragons, which is what I set it to, you'll see the test post right there. Right now there's only 5 posts here in the Puzzle and Dragons category, but once there's more than 9, a button will display at the bottom saying load more, and you'll be able to load as many more as you need, the next 9 basically. So that's essentially how you create articles. I'll edit the template text so it has a little bit more info if I forgot anything, but I think that's just about everything.